today is Sunday morning. Got 2 personal training sessions. I'll be finishing my wellness coach shift as well. Yeah, it's definitely getting colder. Oh, alright, just talking about the weather. Same spot, just to let you know, same spot. Alrighty. My bus is in 5 minutes. This is my first bus to go to work. So usually my clients have 9 to 5 jobs, right? So I gotta go in early and train them. Alright, so it's really important to work according to the client's timing, because most of the clients, they work 9 to 5 jobs. So it's really important for you to squeeze in a workout before. It's really important to be like flexible as a personal trainer, and gives you an extra edge from other trainers, right? So yeah, so this is my first bus from my place. I'm gonna be there. My bus is in 2 minutes. You can probably be seeing my bus going behind me. There we go, my bus. Let's go, boys. Alrighty, let's grab some Tim Hortons. I feel so sleepy today than usual, so I need to grab my Tim Hortons, get my caffeine in. Makes me feel a little better. Let's go, boys. It's beautiful, isn't it? Look at this guy shining. Wow. Nice. Alrighty, we're done with the first session. It was a quick session. It started to rain now. So, I don't know, I'm gonna go home. Wow, nice. It's good to see rain after a while. Beautiful weather. Ciao. Students going to classes during rain. Me actually enjoying my break, working full time. Student life is so much fun, especially if you have in-person class. My first program, International Business, it's online, so I really didn't get to go to class. But from Jan, right now I'm in a break. So after this break, I'll be starting my Jan intake in person. So yeah, I'm looking forward for it. Alright, back in my apartment. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is a certification. Get a good certification. Something like NASM, ACE, ISSA is pretty easy to crack. ACE and NASM are the gold standard certifications. Pretty hard, lot of human anatomy, body movements. It's gonna be a bit hard, bit tough, but it's really worth it. It makes you stand out from the crowd. So now you got your first aid and CPR, then your personal training certification. So the most important thing I would say is the knowledge of how to train people to make a proper programming. Programming should be like solid based on your client needs, right? Let's say if they want to lose fat, you gotta be putting them in all planes of motion, squatting, pushing, pulling, hinging forward, unilateral, bilateral, all kinds of motion, right? So it's really important to have a solid program plan and make sure you learn the proper posture, the movements of certain exercises, like the breathing patterns when you push. Let's say for an example, if you do a bench, so you push, you breathe out when you push, you breathe in when it comes in. So make sure you learn all those patterns and train some clients, get experience in training some clients. I had back home experience for a while. I worked in Fitness One as a personal trainer. So I did learn quite a bit, and I've been working out for like 5 years. So I know like what's going on. I have experience in programming. So when I do my personal training, I set up a consultation with my client, write down their goals and their specifics, and I personally do an assessment, make sure to check whether they're able to like squat, push, pull, hinge, and they do all sort of movements. Because once you prepare a program, if they don't squat, you need to adjust it. That's the challenge of being a personal trainer. Or let's say if some clients they can't squat because they have a knee issue, it's a pretty common one. You really gotta know what you have to do in order to train your quads, your hamstring without performing a squat pattern. Knee bugs. Some people they have like knee issues, lower back pain, so it's really important to have a direct contact with their doctor or a physician, so you both are in the same page, right? So our main goal is to make sure the client is safe and you perform safe movement with proper posture and form. Hey, so the first thing is the client safety, followed by their goals. Better off focus on their safety first and then their goals secondary, right? And yeah, them like your friend, support them. You gotta be a mentor. You're not just a trainer, you gotta be a good friend, a mentor who helps them to motivate and push forward in their workouts. Gotta be really good, be nice, and do a lot of research. Keep researching on different variations and workouts and whatnots. Get the latest news, and I think you'll be fine. Yeah, that's pretty much about it. So these are the steps you need to follow. These are the certifications and the programming skills required in order to become a personal instructor in Canada. Make sure you add all these experiences in a resume. Make sure you get a bunch of good certifications, get some hands-on experience. I would better off suggest you to start working as a trainer in your local area, right? And then when you come here to Canada, you can start applying resumes and hopefully you'll get it. And that's about it. Thanks so much for watching, guys. This is actually one of my not most requested. I got like 5-6 comments regarding it, so I just wanted to share my opinion. I just want to help you guys out. I'll be really glad if you guys like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys.